COVID 19 is making a comeback in parts of Asia. Health authorities in Hong Kong and Singapore are warning of a sharp rise in cases as a new wave of infections spreads across the region. In Hong Kong, the situation is described as quite high in terms of virus activity. That's according to Albert O, who heads the communicable disease branch of the city's Center for Health Protection. Respiratory samples testing positive for COVID have hit their highest levels in a year. The same trend is seen in hospital data. Severe cases, including deaths, also reached their highest point in about a year. In the week ending May 3rd, the city reported 31 serious cases. Though the numbers are still below the peaks seen during the last 2 years of the pandemic, health experts say the virus is spreading actively again. That conclusion is based on increasing viral loads in sewage samples and a rise in COVID related doctor visits and hospitalizations. Singapore too is seeing a spike. The city state's health ministry issued its first COVID update in nearly a year. In the week through May 3rd, estimated infections jumped by 28% to 14,200 cases. Hospital admissions went up by about 30% in the same period. Singapore now updates case numbers only when there's a significant jump. Officials there say this latest surge may be due to waning immunity in the population. However, they have clarified that the currently circulating variants are not more transmissible or severe than those seen during the pandemic. Health authorities across Asia are urging people, especially those at higher risk, to keep their vaccinations and boosters up to date. What's worrying experts is that unlike other respiratory illnesses, which typically spike during the winter, COVID is rising even as summer begins in the northern hemisphere. That shows the virus's ability to cause widespread illness regardless of the season. In related news, Hong Kong singer Eason Chan tested positive for COVID. As a result, he had to cancel his upcoming concerts in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. That update came from his official concert account on Chinese platform Weibo. Mainland China, too, is showing signs of a brewing wave. Data from the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention shows that COVID test positivity rates more than doubled over 5 weeks through May 4. These figures are based on patients seeking a diagnosis in hospitals. Meanwhile, Thailand has reported two cluster outbreaks this year. The country's Department of Disease Control says cases began to rise after the annual Songkran festival in April, which drew large crowds. As the virus reemerges, health systems across Asia are keeping watch. While there is no current sign of a more dangerous variant, the clear message from authorities is stay alert, get your booster, and don't take this virus lightly.